guys, it's super duper like foggy. Can't see anything.
It turned like this like in like 2 minutes.
Yeah. At first we could see all the mountains and now it's nothingness, literally nothingness.
Like so fast, right? I think 5 minutes ago we were in total clearness.
Yeah.
It's just a light drizzle just now.
Yep. Now it's snowing quite heavily. Actually not quite, very heavily.
It's a full... Whoa.
And super foggy.
This is the YouTube video that I watched.
So we try and drive slow, currently at 49 km per hour. That's not that bad. Not that slow. There's
The
no
speed
car
limit is 80.
behind
So
us.
we're just praying that the cars behind us don't catch up.
Yes. So far look like no cars, no good.
Oh my god, the snow is thick
Yep.
Thick snow
Super duper heavy snow. I think you should be able to see on the GoPro. Can't see anything in front.
Yes, yeah. If I have you, you cannot see.
Yep.
It's the worst.
We are reaching where we want to go in like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
But that place is where?
It's actually a viewpoint,
Nice.
which
I think
you
we
might not
can't
have
view
a point
anything.
if there's no view, you know.
Yes.
That's why they call it viewpoint, because there's no point if there's no view. Driving thoughts.
He's spiraling.
Oh my goodness. It's so scary having these things like coming at you and belting at you, right?
Yeah.
And like,
But surprisingly, like our that one is not even wet.
yeah,
Ours
because it's still very cold, so the water doesn't appear on it. See, another car is coming, means we have to keep right, means hopefully we can deconflict.
Alhamdulillah.
And that guy is in front is going very slow,
Yep.
which is what we need lah, honestly, right now.
Great.
You see, in a moment the snow just like lightened.
Reduce a bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's heavy again.
Yeah, I save you again.
Yup. So we'll let you know when we get there.
When we get there in
Inshallah.
about 4 minutes, but we might not even
Stop.
stop. Yeah, I might just go straight to the city.
There's nothing much to see actually.
There is nothing to see. You're right.
At this current moment.
I think so.
Yes.
Things can change in minutes, so we
Correct.